Hi, my name is Jeff Johnston. I'm the owner of Accent RV, and I want to take a moment to answer some of our most frequently asked questions. One of our customers was telling me the other day that he watched a video from another roofing company, an RV roofing company, that was saying that the benefit of using them is that they only do RV roof systems, and that's all they do. So that's why they're the best. My answer to that is one of the best reasons to use us is that we can do more. We have over 25 years of experience working on RVs and RV roofs, especially RV roofs. A lot of times when we pull an RV roof membrane off, there's a lot more than just a membrane problem going on. It's more than just a worn out rubber roof. If it's been leaking for a number of years, there could be damage to the plywood, there could be damage to the subframe, to the ceiling. The benefit to you is that you can bring it to one place. We can take your roof off, we can rebuild the entire roof from the ground up, whether it's wood framing, aluminum framing, laminated roof, or a framed roof. We can do it all. And then beyond that, we can actually rebuild your sidewalls if they've been damaged as well. We can do all kinds of work, and that's what makes us the best at what we do. Our roof systems are like the icing on the cake. Our 18-year no-leak warranty roof system, once we've done all our work, you never have to worry again. There is no maintenance. We guarantee it fully, labor and materials, for 18 years. So once we've done all the work to restore your RV and make it like new again, we put a roof system on there that you can count on and that you don't have to worry about. Something I hear a lot from customers and around RV campfires is, can I just roll a coating over it? This is sort of like an RV myth that's been around for ages and everybody just believes it. When your roof starts to get old, you just need a recoat, you know, and it's like if you just get up there and take some coating from Home Depot and spread it around your roof, that everything's gonna be okay. There's a reason why we don't recommend doing this. One of them is that there's a big difference in coating quality between commercial coatings and the ones you can buy at Camping World and Home Depot and on Amazon. And the other is, if you just put a coating over your roof system, it's really doing nothing for you but making it look pretty, and that only for a little while. And usually what happens when you put a coating like one of the Dicor coatings or a Cool Seal product over an existing rubber or TPO or PVC roof, a couple years down the road that thing's going to be peeling off, and then your RV actually looks like it has leprosy. So there are better ways to do it. A typical roof service is to remove all the existing sealants, clean the roof really well, reseal it, and wash the RV. That's a normal roof service, a standard roof maintenance. It doesn't require any kind of coating. Once again, just the coating all by itself rolled over your roof does nothing at all for you in terms of sealing your roof. It's really a cosmetic and a short-term cosmetic fix. And so if you're gonna do a roof coating, we recommend doing a roof system, like our 10 or 18-year no-leak warranty. Another frequently asked question is, what is the typical turnaround time for an RV roof replacement? And that obviously depends on what it is we're doing, but a typical RV roof replacement is going to be completed back to you within 2 weeks. The actual process takes us about a week or so, and it really depends on the size of the RV. A smaller RV we can do quicker, a larger one might take a little longer. But we usually ask for 2 weeks just to get it in our shop, get into our production line, finish all the work, and get it back to you. Another frequently asked question is, do I need to take everything out of my RV before I bring it in for service? And the answer is no. We're used to working around the normal things in an RV. If you have a toy hauler, please don't bring it in with your side-by-side in it. It's probably better if you don't bring motorcycles and quads inside your toy hauler. And then if you have anything obvious that's obviously more valuable, it's probably a good idea just to remove that just in case. But everything, once you drop it off here and we check it all in, we keep everything in our locked, gated yard or inside of our building. We do have cameras, we have security, and we're used to covering up your things. We try to take care of your carpet and your things while we do the work on your RV to protect it. So no, just take out the valuable things, anything that's really obviously big or in the way, and then just bring it as it is and we'll take care of everything. Something that we get asked once in a while is, can we just install one of our 10 or 18-year no-leak warranty systems over the top of your existing RV roof? And the answer is yes, but usually we don't recommend it. One of the main problems that happens when you put a roof coating system over the top of an old RV membrane is adhesion. And so we've been doing this for about 25 years, and during the first 10 years or so in business, we did a ton of this. We put our 10 or 18-year systems over the top of rubber roofs, TPO roofs, PVC roofs, fiberglass roofs, all kinds of roofs. You bring it, we'll put our roof system over the top of it. One thing that happened in that first 10 years of doing RV roofs is that we really learned our lesson, what not to do. We ended up with some warranty issues, adhesion issues, little bubbles, things coming up, peeling up. It didn't happen on every roof, but it happened on enough of them that we finally realized maybe this isn't such a good idea. And it's not that big a deal after all, just to pull the parts off and the membrane off, sheet the roof with a layer of glue on, and then install the roof system correctly. And so after learning our lesson, we've begun to do things what we feel is the right way. And I do realize that there's some companies that have come along in the last 5 to 10 years that have kind of jumped into the RV roof business, and they haven't learned that lesson yet. And so do yourself a favor and don't learn the lesson with them. Learn from our experience, and let's just go ahead and do your roof right. I'm asked once in a while, why don't you guys offer a lifetime warranty on your roofs like some of those other companies do? My answer to that is there's no such thing as a lifetime roof. Everything has a lifespan, and I just choose to be honest about it. I could easily take my 18-year no-leak warranty system and tell you, hey, it's a non-transferable lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty for the original owner. And I know that 9 out of 10 people are going to sell their RV probably within the first 10 years, and I'll never have to see it again. I'm off the hook for the warranty. Great marketing gimmick, but it's not honest. I think we're using the best RV roof system that we can get. Our roof system, our 18-year no-leak warranty system, will last you 18 to 20 years of zero maintenance, and it's fully guaranteed for 18. If you need longer than that, I honestly don't know what to tell you. Some people ask, what's the difference between our 10 and 18-year no-leak warranty systems and the spray-on bed liner RV roof systems that are out there today? There's a few things that are different. One of them is ours is actually a roof system. It's not a bed liner system. We use spray-on bed liner for multiple things within our shop. We use it for toy hauler ramps. We use it for compartments when we rebuild a compartment. There's things that it works great for. I don't choose to use it for a roof system because it actually wasn't ever made or intended for that. It is a tough and durable material. It lasts pretty good outside. It doesn't quite have the longevity that some of the actual commercial roof systems do though. And in contrast, the 10-year system's been in use for over 40 years in the commercial roofing industry. And the 18-year system has been in use for over 20 years in the commercial roofing industry. So the benefit of that is we know exactly how it's going to perform. We know exactly how it holds up, and we've been doing it personally long enough for us to see what they look like at the end of their lifespan. So I know exactly what I'm selling you. I know exactly what it's going to do. Spray-on bed liners, on the other hand, have not been used for very long in the roofing industry, especially the RV roofing industry. And so these companies that are offering lifetime warranties on a spray-on bed liner roof, they don't even know what it's going to look like in 10 years, let alone 15, 20, or 30. And so I think you know what you're getting when you use our roof system versus a spray-on bed liner polyurea roof system. Another benefit of our roof system over a spray-on bed liner system is repairability. Things are going to happen when you're out on the road in your RV. Let's say you hit a tree and you break your skylight. You've got to replace your skylight on the road. Well, it's easy for you just to cut through the fabric layer of our system, put the new skylight on, seal it however you have to seal it, and then when you bring it back into the area, we can either reseal it for you, or if you're going to be gone for extended time, we can actually send you a repair kit that you can actually use on the road and seal it yourself, the same way that we do it. And so that's one benefit. With a polyurea system, you've got to get that all the way back to the person that did it, and they've got to do it in shop only, and there's really no other option for repair. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions that I didn't address here, please feel free to let us know, and we'd be happy to answer them.